Late last week, it was discovered that Google was making a change to how ratings and reviews show up for Android applications and games in its Google Play Store. Before, we could leave a review and almost immediately see that it was published to the public after refreshing the page. This allowed you to convey your thoughts and opinions to the rest of the Android community without delay, and this helped many people learn about an application or game before they even needed to download it for themselves. Knowing whether or not a new update introduced a major bug that crashes the app or game could prevent people from installing it and was helpful to the community. There were many instances where quick reviews helped the Android community avoid issues like this, but it also allowed the community to review bomb things in the Google Play Store without giving the developer much time to react. So the new announcement from Google tells us that they have introduced a delay to when new reviews and ratings would show up to the public. The company says that they have added a way to detect suspicious ratings and reviews in the Google Play Store. But to help this new system work its magic, Google needs to delay all of them from being made public for about 24 hours. So if you're submitting a new rating or review to an Android application or game in the Google Play Store, then you should expect it to not be visible to the public for about a day. We're not told what makes a rating or review qualified to be labeled as suspicious, but with all of the algorithms running wild at Google, I don't suspect that this has been tuned to be very lenient at all. The company says this will give Android application and game developers time to look into the issue and time to reply to the review themselves, since they will be immediately shown to the developer instead of instantly being published online. Some people suspect that this will help curb the review bombing issue that a number of developers have had to deal with in the past, but others feel this is going to be abused by nefarious devs who just want to silence negative ratings in reviews that they do not agree with. This is an interesting change from Google, and honestly, I could see this going either way. I prefer to keep an open mind about these things instead of being pessimistic about new rules and changes, but I also know how these new systems can be abused too. Google has been giving developers a lot of trust lately with the new data safety section of the Play Store, and I suspect that will end up having a negative impact on the community as well. Let me know what you think about this new change in the comments section below. Are you happy to see the delay being implemented in an attempt to protect the honest app and game developers? Or do you think this is going to be doing more harm than good?